squishy and the kids. Learning's fun, songs and smiles for everyone. Let's go to the beach today. Sunny, sunny time to play. Soft sand under little feet. Ocean waves and summer heat. Dig, dig, dig in the sand. Playing by the seaside land. Clap your hands and sing along. Join our happy beach day song. Building a sand castle. Scoop the sand into a pile. Build a castle with a smile. Big tall towers, 1, 2, 3. Best sand castle by the sea. Pat it gently, make it strong. Building castles all day long. Sand castle, standing high, reaching up toward the sky. Finding seashells, walk along the sandy shore, looking for some shells and more. Pink shell, blue shell, shiny white, treasure sparkling in the light. Pick them up and count them too. 1 for me and 1 for you. Seashells, pretty as can be, found beside the sparkling sea. Digging in the sand, dig, dig, dig a little hole. Working hard is our goal. Dig it deeper, scoop, scoop, scoop. Make a sandy digging group. Laugh and play and jump around. Fun adventures can be found. Splashing by the water, splash, splash by the sea. Ocean waves are chasing me. Jump and run and skip away, having fun at beach today. Waves go swish and waves go swoosh, cooling off with every swoosh. Beach friends built together, side by side at the beach so big and wide. Share the buckets, share the toys. Happy girls and happy boys, playing nicely, having fun underneath the summer sun. Sun is setting in the sky, time to wave the beach goodbye. Sandcastle and seashell too.